Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We have another interesting video for all today. We always feel sorry when we hear that blog is not generating traffic. It is not time to ignore it. Instead, it is time to energize it. Well, blog are a million at that moment. But do you ever think building your blog and launching it on your official website is enough? No, not at all. It's just a half story. Only uploading blogs are not enough. You must have a strategy to gain traffic on your blog. Well, so many bloggers have no idea about how they can get traffic on their blogs. So today we will tell you how you can get traffic on your blog through social media marketing. We just going to give you an amazing strategy that will really work, and friend, you have not to pay for it. If you want to resolve this riddle, then just relax, sit back, grab popcorn. Let's ready to know about social media marketing for bloggers. But before going to interesting content, it is a humble request to support us by subscribing to our informative channel and hit the bell icon so that you can stay updated with upcoming video. What is social media marketing? First of all, you have to think about how you can expect your blog to stand out in million blogs at this time. It may be 1,000 or a million, right? You don't need to worry. You can get your goal by using the perfect social media marketing strategy. But how? How you can promote your content and attract the audience so that you can get traffic on your blog site. Well, you can do it through social media marketing. Now you must think about social media marketing strategy. Well, it is a planning, document and outline goals and the perfect step to achieve your goal. Number 1, identify your niche. So guys, it is time to put a glance at your blog niche. So identify your niche is most important. So must check that if it is interesting or informative, you can able to attract your audience or not. Because you can engage viewers by offering them useful and relevant content. So you can go to BuzzSumo and Google Trends. Here you can easily find out which trending topics are and where is more social media sharing. Here you can get a fair idea about your niche. Maybe you have the best content, but driving and building traffic on your blog is still a question mark. Number 2, choose the right platform. Next thing is to choose the right platform. Well, the most important thing is that how to choose the right platform. So guys, you should always keep in mind that if your content is related to a pointer, then you have to choose YouTube. But if your content is related to exhibit, then you have to choose Instagram or Facebook. So after choosing the right platform, you have to keep holding surveys, asking questions, connecting with the audience and get to increase the volume of traffic on your blog. Number 3, analyze your current social media performance. The next step is that you have to analyze your current social media performance before going to your social media strategic plan for future. This step will help you to find which strategy are doing well and which is which social media platform giving you the best result. How many followers do you have to get on each platform? And how does the performance of your blog comparing to your competitor? Once you have found out about all above, you will have a better idea what you should work on, which platform you need to focus. Well, in order to analyze your social media performance, you can invest in a social media management tool if you have not done it before. Social media management tools such as AgroPlus or SocialBee have amazing built-in one and built-in analytics. These tools help you to keep track of your performance. Well, you can get an idea of what people are thinking about your blog on web through these tools. These steps can use in your social media strategy moving forwards. Number 3. Set clear goals. Next, you have to set clear goals. After completing the above, you will have a better idea of where you are at this time. Now you should think about where you need to get to. So, social media marketing plan must begin with setting clear and measurable goals. You must know what exactly you want from social media. Do you want to boost brand awareness or do you want to drive traffic to your website? Or you should improve customer engagement and you want to generate quality leads. Now you have to plan your content and set your blog style guidelines. A well content plan is the most important part of your social media strategy. This step will help you understand what type of content you are going to post and it also provides some journal guidelines to help you.